My next video is literally going to be lit.
Baby, I know you better. Baby, I don't know better. Baby, I know you 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 better. Baby, I know no better.
Hey guys, welcome back to the normal vlogs. It's October 3rd. I am not wearing pink. Because I don't want to. It's freezing, it's cold and crappy outside, and we have to do some fall shopping because 'tis fall. Feel me? So, we're gonna redo the room. The room is where it was left off as last time, as I showed you guys before I went to California. I haven't put up that most recent California vlog up, and I don't know if I will, only because it's gonna be like my third Cali vlog. I don't know if I want to do that. If I do, you'll see it. If not, I don't really feel like it was an amazing time. Look, I look like such a fraud when I say that, but it really was. It was a fantastic time. I went with Sid and Eric was there and we had a good time. Eric and I collabed. I don't know, I haven't edited that video yet because I think the lighting was so bad that it just didn't work out that well. But anyways, what we're going to be doing today is just pulling out some of my old fall stuff that I had from when I was at the apartment. So I think I have some fall things. I just have to sift through what I want. And plus I'm also going to have a DIY video coming out soon. I didn't think I was going to put out DIYs anymore because I was like, I don't even know if anyone does them anymore, but I'm constantly trying to make stuff, so like why not share the wealth. So yeah, I'm gonna go underneath my bed and pull out whatever I can find for fall that I had last year. I'm currently working on 2 new projects on my walls. So the first one is I bought you just see that one strip, but I bought wallpaper for my wall. I'm going to wallpaper my wall with marble paper. And I know my floors. I know my floors are marble, but I just want something to be going on with this wall. And I figured if I have the wallpaper on that wall, I won't do anything else to it. I won't really need to hang anything on it because that's the same wall where I have my big mirror and I don't like too much stuff going on that side. Whereas on the other side here, I only have 2 things hung up. So what I'm gonna do is create, I think, a fairy light curtain wall. So it's very self-explanatory. It's gonna be a wall with fairy lights. And then I'm just gonna create a gallery wall here with just like fall stuff. So my thing is, I got this from Amazon and it was $10. Really dope. It's really thick and fantastic. And then they have different sizes. So the one that's like a bit wider and longer is $20, and this strip is $10. I bought 4 of them just to see how much surface area it's gonna take, and with some calculations by my head and not measuring anything at all, I think I need 10 of these. So right now I have 4, so I think I'm gonna need 6 more, and since it's $10 each, it's gonna be another $60. So to be honest with myself, I probably won't buy for $60 because I'm annoying, and I'll just buy 5 more and just fill up the space that needs to be filled up so far. And then when I have more bread, I'll finish it up. But you know, your girl's working with a budget, so she's gotta do what she's gotta do. Fairy curtain light wall, this is only gonna be $15, and I have so many push pins and I can just hang that shit up myself. And as you know, I am a Dollar Tree queen. So I'm just gonna pull out what I have for fall. So I'm just gonna pull out all of the fall decor that I think I might have left over and see what I'm working with, because also too, because this room is so small, I don't want to buy things to clutter the room with, because a lot of the stuff I want to buy, I want it to be so inexpensive that it can stay year round, or I can throw it out and it won't hurt my feelings because it'll probably be from like Dollar Tree, you know? So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so far what I found was this wreath from last year. Oh, this garland, my bad. But I have another one from Dollar Tree that I'm just gonna pluck the leaves off of and trail down here when I get the lights in. Which I should order now so I can get them tomorrow. Then I found these pumpkins, which is dope because I really needed some pumpkins because for the DIY I'm gonna make. So all I need is some white spray paint, which is what I'm gonna go get. So this is perfect. If I find another set of them, I think I got those from Michael's last year. Found 3 pine cones. The other pine cones I have are like more winter base and not fall base. Yes, there's a difference. And then I found some twine. Some Gorilla Glue sticks, some regular glue sticks. I was looking for this for some box cutter for the wallpaper, which I'm gonna do when I get back from going out and getting some more supplies. And I found my handy dandy glue gun. I think the best thing to do now is just to get out while the sun is out. It's been pouring all day, so I'm just gonna run out really quickly and head to Dollar Tree and see what damage I can do there. Also too, I've been needing, like, the bottom of my door here has this space and I hate it, so I think I'm gonna try to see if I can find like a door stopper. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So guys, fun fact, Marsh is no longer with us anymore. My car has died, so borrowing my stepdad's car while he's away to go run this errand. But yeah, it's that time of year again when I need a new car. So, alright. We're gonna listen to Harry Potter.
So, I like to think it's that. Just,
and yeah, and skedaddle.
You know, trying to build up some goodwill, because who knows, in case. You think it's possible? I guess See, Scabbers has been fighting Nana, so let's scowling at her because her money comes back.
Hey guys, so I left the Dollar Tree that I was at because it sucked. It had nothing there. I didn't like what I was seeing. So I looked up a Michael's instead, and I hit the jackpot. Because not only did I find a Michael's, which is also connected to a Home Goods, it's also connected to a Target, which are all 3 things I was thinking about getting. And then when you leave this plaza, there's a Dollar Tree across the street. So, I'm very excited. I'm very hyped. I got a pool noodle because I think I'm going to makeshift my own door stopper. My own draft stopper. So we'll see how that works, because spending $3 instead of spending $26 plus shipping, yeah, $26 for a door stopper when I could make it myself. I think I like those odds, so we'll see what happens. Everything I've been finding is awful. I went to the Michael's. I think I was there for like 40 minutes. Didn't find anything. Go to Home Goods. Nothing. So now I'm stopping by Target. If I find something, I no longer care. I just want a snack because I haven't eaten anything. I'm over it. Didn't really find anything. Hey guys, so I just wanted to go over, well, I wanted to end this vlog by going over the things I got for the fall haul, and then I just wanted to show you how well my door draft came because I wanted to buy one and it was gonna be like $15–20, and then after I found a pool noodle, some socks, and I have hot glue, and I made my own. So as you can see, I was gonna get one in white, but like there's no point because with the foot traffic that I'll have going on, it was going to eventually get dirty, so I got that one. I slid it in through the door. I made sure that the way that I hot glued it, that it was on the inside of the pool noodle too. And so you can see, and it's very soft. And as you can see, there's no gap. And before there was. And so now, with my pool noodle, my DIY little drop door, and when I close the door, boom, came out perfectly. I am so hyped. DIY queen. As you guys can see, I put up the second second roll of marble paper, so I'm gonna finish the next two. I only have two more left, so I'm gonna finish up this side of the wall, and then that way this whole area will be done. And then next week, hopefully by the time I put out my next fall video, this other side will be done, which I only need 4 more for that side. So just got back from work a little bit earlier, and I got a package from Amazon. I had ordered these lights that I want to put against one side of my wall, which is going to be in the next video, but they're fairy light curtains. And then after that, the other one are, well, Dollar Tree hasn't sold them yet, and I don't feel like waiting for them, but they usually sell these like little individual wire lights, and they're usually like tray small and comes in like several packs. So I got, which one is it? I got these, and I think they come with 6 of them. They should come with 6. Yep, comes with 6 of them. Oh, and it's a nice copper color. Rhonda is hyped. Can you guys see it? How do they do it with the color palettes? So as you guys can see, never mind. Okay, battery's supposed to be already in it, so. Oh my god! You guys weren't even ready. Okay, and I found this beauty, and it has a yellow twin sister. Yep, here it is. I also had these two from last year, so I'm gonna put these probably up there. Bought a ring, bought some panel paper. I got a lot of photo frames. I don't remember why. I have some acorns. Oh my god, I spent $8 on this, so essentially became almost $9 at Target. And I don't like anything pumpkin scented. I don't like anything pumpkin flavored, although the soup that we as Haitians drink every year for New Year's apparently is pumpkin soup. No, it's squash, so it's in the pumpkin family. But I found this, and most scents give me headaches. That's another reason why I try not to be so big on candles. I think the last candle that I had was what Fran's mom gave me for Christmas, and I burned it out. Like I used it every day until like I was passed out from it, and it was like a cinnamon flavor. Oh, this one is hitting me again. So this one is called Pumpkin Honeycomb. It's a soy wax blend candle, finely crafted without compromise. Don't know what that means. I'm hoping it means that little kids didn't have to do this for like a penny a day. So this, it smells delicious. I don't know why it smells delicious, but it is. And it's not too much. I'm hoping my biggest thing about candles is like whenever I buy them, they smell good. Then when you burn them, it doesn't smell good. So that's something to think about another time. I think I might return these and get bigger ones, to be honest with you. Just, yeah, they're very small. I think I'm gonna go back and exchange these. But other than that, everything else is just flowers and stems and stuff. And I bought a new can of spray paint because I'm gonna spray paint some pumpkins. and probably spray paint the picture frames if I can remember why I got them. But that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I hope you had an amazing adventure with me on that crappy day. That was such a shit show of a day. My car died. Every single store I went to didn't have anything I needed. And life is great. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye.
Baby, I know you better. Baby, I know you better. Baby, I know you better.